Hello everybody, we are going to learn how to make a star stitch crochet. What we have to do, we are going to start by making a slip knot. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 2 plus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some chain. 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, and then I'm going to make one extra. What we have to do, we are going to start by insert the hook here and then grab the yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3. If you look at here now, I have 6 loops. I'm going to make all together and then I make one chain. Then I insert the hook here in this space. Now I have 2 loops. If you return your job like that, you can see 1 loop here. You can take that one as the third one. Insert the hook here for 4th. Then we are going to take 2 extra chain, 1 and 2. Again I have 6 loops. I'm going to make it 1 and then 1 chain. And we repeat the pattern like that until the end of the row. I grab this one at the back, then this, and then 2 more. I'm going to do the rest and I'll be back. As you can see, I'm going to do the last one and make a chain, and then for the last chain we're going to make just 1 double crochet. So the pattern should look like that. We're going to chain 1, return the work, and then you can see here the loops here. We're going to make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Again for the next one like that, we're going to make another half double crochet like that, and we keep continue until the end of the row by make a half double crochet in each space here. The last one. Then when you receive at the end, you are going to take that one at the end, and then just we are going to do the slip stitch because we are going to have a nice edge here. For next row we chain 3, as you can see here, the job like that. Now I'm going to take 2 loop from the chain I already made. So now I have 3. I insert my hook here, make 4, and then 2 more. So again I have 6 chain, 6 loop. I'm going to make it in 1 and 1 chain. As you can see here, the 3 chain we make help us to have a really nice edge in here. So we repeat the pattern by insert the hook here. Now 2. I'm going to take this one at the back like a 3. When it comes here, 4, 5, and 6. Do it again, and we repeat. That's it. This is the repetition of these 2 rows, but it's up to you if you want to make it in one color or if you want to make it in different color in each row. But if you want to make it 2 different color, you have to crochet 2 rows, then change the color. For example, just let me do that one like that. If I use another color, I'm going to start here, and then this is the first row. The second row I also use the same color, and then I change the color after 2 rows. I'm going to show you the sample. Let me just finish that one. Four, 5, and 6. Finish that one chain, and the top of the chain we are going to make 1 double crochet, and the pattern should look like that. Then chain 1, rip and turn the work, and start from that loop. Start to make 2 half double crochet in each chain, and this is the repetition. But if you want me to show you, let's look at the bigger pattern like that. After few rows, your pattern should look like that. Back side and front side. As you told you in the last video, I already make star stitch with needle, and this is the star stitch with hook. They are almost the same, but it's up to you which one do you prefer to knit. And I also already make it in another color. If you can see here, this one is also really nice. And as I told you, I already had it in the different color, and the one, the 3, but it's up to you which color do you want. But as I told you, you have to start the first row and second row in the same color. Then it's here to change the color, do the first row and the second row the same color, and then change the color again and again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.